too. Like that's just such a small thing here.
Yeah.
What about if it was blown now?
All right, I'm live, by the way.
Like live on the trade, or you're live on YouTube?
Live on YouTube. Bro, where are you?
So since it already wicked into it, disrespected, are you gonna even like ready or anything?
What? I'm just waiting.
Put my water for Ian. Thank you. Have a good one.
All right.
Could get an entry here, no?
Yeah.
Are you going to? Because the candle already wicked in that gap. You validate it, kind of.
What are you talking about?
You said once the gap's already been like.
Bro, oh my gosh, dude. That we just tapped into the gap, bro. Calm down. It is one candle different. I'm about to enter with 8 if we get this.
Yeah, if it keeps dumping, I do 7.
Yeah. Damn, bro. Yeah. All right. I'd have to enter with 7 here, dude. Okay. I'm in here with 8. I'm in here with 8.
Where's stop loss? Yeah.
What?
Where's your stop loss?
At the swing eye.
This is like a 1R.
Yeah. Close below on every time frame. Data low setup.
Looks pretty good. I'm less than 1R though. But
Well, my TP's not at the low. My TP's at 1R. My break even's at the low.
What is the low? Like, what's the number? Because I can't see the thing. Or actually, I can probably draw it out on here. It's kind of weird on mobile.
Only problem is we do have a 15-minute BPR here. Our time frame for the most part is looking bearish. Damn, we could have gotten in on a good order here. We could have gotten in with 10 cons at the gap, it seems like.
Did you even have time to fucking draw frames or no?
So what?
Did you get a higher time frame?
You know, I don't always use that with data lows.
I was gonna ask because I feel like that is kind of not, I wouldn't say independent, but yeah, I think since you're teaching me how to trade, bro, every time one of the trades you give me loses, you need to like pay me back for that shit.
Bruh. Bro, you hit your own buttons.
Adjust my limit orders and shit on mobile though. It's the thing. Like it might take me a minute to move my stop loss. To be honest, see if I can drag.
All right. We might put in a 2-minute OB here.
I'm actually gonna need you to give me comps, bro. It's because I'm just fucking driving home right now.
Actually, I'm gonna watch for data. I'm gonna watch for. Oh, we're actually really close to it on NQ, but not MNQ. Okay, we just hit data lows. I'm not gonna lie.
Sell position.
I'm gonna go break even. Makes sense to go break even here. We just hit data lows on NQ. We're just kind of hoping MNQ goes with it.
Okay.
And I wouldn't do partials here just because of how negative risk to reward this is right now.
Yeah.
So now it's a risk-free trade looking for 1R break even because NQ hit the data lows here, guys. Just go ahead and hope we get a 1R. If we had a positive R, I would just completely close my position right now because we already hit data low, but unfortunately we got a bad fill. If we would have looked like gotten a better like retrace, like because it pulled back a little bit, but yeah.
Can I just sell partials here and take my plus 150 to get a green day?
I mean, that would kind of be emotional trading. We're not even at market. If this wins, we're done before market open.
Yeah.
So I would just wait. I mean, we have like I said, we have 10 a.m. news. Market hasn't even opened yet, so.
So are you taking any partials at the data low, or no? You're just going back?
No, data low already hit. We're just trading on micros. Remember,
Yeah, data low. Wait, data low hit regular Q or ES?
it hit on regular NQ, so our TP already hit. But unfortunately, it's just micros are kind of moving a little slow right now.
If only we weren't broke. We could trade on regular. Full contracts, bro.
Yeah, ES hasn't hit data lows yet, so maybe ES will drag us down to its data lows and we'll hit it on micros. But we're kind of just hoping we get our TP now, so just guaranteed break even here, and we're just kind of hoping.
Do you have a magnet?
Bruh. No, I don't. Shut up. I'm gonna put a hammer and a magnet on my screen. Dude, that's gonna make someone join my stream and think I'm just straight up gambling.
Yeah, but they take 2 seconds to look at your setup. They're like, okay. Well, that's what someone in your comments said the other day. They said you're just straight up gambling, remember?
We just had a SMT with the higher time frame low, or the external liquidity, but ES still has data low, so kind of hoping ES just drags us down to it and we can hit a TP here on MNQ. What was the risk to reward that hit on? Yeah, it was still a negative R that hit. Data low was really, really close on NQ. But yeah, data low. And data low is also equal lows on ES. So just kind of hoping we get dragged to it.
There's a fucking pickup truck on the train tracks right now stopping these cars.
Bro, calm down, bro. I'm on stream.
I'm allowed to say body words?
Yeah, I need to stay monetized.
That was actually not on purpose. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Damn. Did you move your stop to break even?
Yeah, my stop's break even.
All right, good boy.
Thank you.
See that 2 minute.
Chick-fil-A, because I can't be rewarding myself off of that. Like, bro, if there's something to hit, I've just been a really bad boy, bro.
Bro. Shut up. Bro. Come on, ES, just hit the data low and pull us with you.
Put the magnet, bro, please. I don't have a magnet, bro. I'm gonna blow on it. 14. Go down for daddy. Chick-fil-A breakfast.
No.
Good. Go down. Keep going down. Come on. There's a 1 minute gap that we formed. There's probably a 2-2. We seem to be respecting that too.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Don't worry. I'm looking to see if we form a 3-minute OB here. Oh, shoot. We hit 1,300 subs, bro. Let's go.
Let's go. $1,300 giveaway.
Bro. Shut up, bro.
You should actually give away a funded account to the Discord at like the how shit's on SMR Advantage. You should actually give like a funded account away at like 2K subs.
I would need to like do a thing with a prop firm.
Why?
How am I gonna give someone an account? What do I do? Just pay for it? Give them my credit card information and pay for it?
No, you just created like an account with like TradingView or something, or like TradeView or Tradify, and then just give them like the email and password and just buy one account and remove your cards. You could probably do it with one too. Just do it with the one that you have the referral with. Oh, this lane's closed? What? The heck? Did you put the magnet?
No, I did not put a
Are you
magnet.
kidding me? You're kidding me?
We might put an OB in here. I don't want to say anything. Or I wasn't gonna say anything because whenever I do say something, it just doesn't do it.
Yeah, now you said that we're just gonna pump up to stop loss. I'm blowing at the top of my phone right now, bro.
Bro, I didn't even have time to turn on my camera, bro.
Because you got on your computer at 8:29.
I'm just sitting here in my underwear, bro.
You woke up at 8:29.
No, I actually woke up at like 8,
To ignore my calls, huh?
bro. ES is slowly working his way to data lows, and it's just kind of pulling us with it, dude. Let's go. Okay, we no longer have an SMT at the lows. Now we're just kind of free balling it to the 1R.
You wouldn't take partials here?
No, where it's negative risk to reward. We're at 0.6R, dude.
You don't take partials lower than 1.
0.67R. 0.6767. 67. You're out.
Yeah.
You're out for a negative risk to reward, bud.
The 0.67 is too good to pass up. Bro, I'm literally up 267 off that trade, so you can't talk.
200. You risked 500.
Doesn't matter.
What do you mean doesn't matter?
I'm just kidding, bro. I'm still in the trade. Can you please put a damn magnet, bro?
Fine, I'll put a freaking magnet.
Are you going to the gym today?
Yeah. Oh shoot, I did not mean to do that.
What? Oh, you put the magnet the wrong way.
No, I moved my TP. I put it back though. I like that we're creating a lot of fair value gaps. So we just like created a 5-minute gap that could hold and everything. And we formed a 1-minute OB. We're just tapping into the 3-minute OB. We're tapping into the 3-minute OB right now. I really hope this holds. No.
What?
Bruh.
What?
Guys, more magnets. Bro, I keep moving my TP because I'm putting the magnets next to the TP and I keep hitting the TP. All right. Guys, more magnets. Not gonna lie, kind of. I don't want to do that though. I'd be looking for so much more.
What?
I wanted to look for like a 1.1 R, but let me see if we close below this 15. It looks like we're gonna close below this 15-minute.
Blind? What 15 minutes? Is there one over to the left?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so hard to see on my phone.
Come on, we have yesterday session low. We have lows below. Do we have London low? No, we don't have London low. We already swept that.
Yeah, we're cooked.
Bruh. Or do you think I have enough magnets? I have 5.
Well, clearly it's not enough. We'll see. That was the only news we had today, right?
What?
That was the only news we had today, right?
No, we have 10 a.m. as well.
Okay.
That's why I said today we could just get more stuff after this. So don't get me wrong, I want this to work. So no, I just want this to work. But if it doesn't, we should be able to get something else. Okay, let's see if we put in a 4-minute OB here. Do we even tap into that 5-minute yet? No. Reason or explanation behind this trade? We had a 3-minute inverse for value gap here.
First saw the magnets in question.
And we're delivering off the 15-minute. And we were targeting data low, but data low already got hit on NQ. So we're kind of just hoping for a 1R at this point. We went break even at the data lows on NQ. So yeah, our target already hit. It's just negative risk to reward. Now, if I had gotten like an entry here, dude, I would have already been out. I would have been out right here. But
that's why you should use wick theory.
bro, that's not weak theory. This literally okay. All right.
I'm just kidding, bro.
Bro's trolling. I have a mouse like you now, Ian. I have a Logitech.
No, yeah.
I can now scroll really, really fast. You hear that?
Scroll fast before.
No, but you know what I'm talking about, right? The one that just like rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like we're gonna close below the 15.
Yeah, 15-minute already closed below.
Yeah.
I might look for a 1.1 then here.
Look for like low-key like 3R. Is that valid? Why is it taking so long to get home? Dude, the normal turn that I turn on to go over these train tracks was closed. So I have to go to the next turn, which is a smaller turn, only one turn lane, and I've waited 3 cycles of this light for it to turn.
Dude, we're right next to 1R. Come on.
Were we? That's kind of far away still.
Bro,
I'm
what?
like $10 away from it right now.
I was 1 point away from 1R.
What?
I don't know what entry you got, but I told you when I entered. Bruh. We took out data low on NQ and we're just reversing.
Yeah, it's over.
Break even? You're already break even or what?
Me? No, I'm just.
No, someone in my chat said break even. Someone said low break even. I don't know. 15-minute close below, so I'm pretty confident in this.
It's a good sign, yeah.
But data low was already hit. NQ, I mean, MNQ doesn't really mean anything. So this data low didn't mean anything.
But inverse is 1 minute that just formed, though. I don't know if that matters.
It did inverse the 1 minute that just formed.
Yeah.
But we're not delivering off anything, so it wouldn't even be like a valid setup. So I'm not really too worried about it. We didn't deliver off a 1 hour, 15-minute, 4 hour. We closed, if anything, we closed below the 15-minute. So I won't lie though, the wick does not look good
On what?
on like the 5-minute or the 3-minute our entry.
Yeah.
Kind of hoping for a good close on the 5-minute here.
What do we have here? Do we?
Same thing with the 3-minute. I'm hoping for a good close.
Oh my gosh, bro. This is the 4th cycle.
Big eyes greed. Bro, my TP did not hit. It didn't even hit 1R. Nobody looks for 1R, dude. Or 0.4R, dude. Like, I don't understand what you're talking about greed for. Nobody looks for negative risk to reward. That's just, like, mathematically makes no sense. We're talking about greed. I'm at break even right now. And on top of that, it was negative risk to reward. People talk trash about me just looking for 1 to 2 risk to reward. What makes you think like I would target less than that, bro? Like what? So we're inside we're inside the 5-minute gaps. Yeah, this could hold.
Yeah.
But
It could.
are you already at break even in your stop loss?
No, stop loss is not. Well, no, I didn't hit it yet. I'm still.
No, I'm saying is your stop loss at break even?
Yeah.
Okay.
is mine. This is where my.
Let me see. I don't see a screen share. Oh, wait, I got it. Oh, I would put it 1 point below so you cover fees. Your account will be negative on the day if you don't.
That's okay, but it's like $1 or $2.
Bro, it'll be like $20. Do you ever look multiple entries on the same move? No, I only enter once. Why? I don't. It would make no sense to enter multiple times. Yeah, bro, we might be cooked. Hoping for this 5-minute gap to hold for us.
Just have faith, bro. Faith. What's the 5-minute looking like? Okay.
And I was thinking about putting my stop loss at this high, which would have given me a full TP already for 1.2 R. But I didn't move my stop loss, or I didn't adjust my stop loss in time for that entry.
Are you break even?
No, not yet. It was right next to it though.
Yeah, mine too. He definitely got a better fit. A little bit better. It's just a 5-minute dollar, so.
Yeah, I'm break even there.
Dang.
What am I at on the day? Am I okay? All my accounts are green.
How?
I told you I put it a point above. They're all green.
Close above this, yeah.
They're all green like $10. But look, Ian, this is what I was saying. Look, my phone's at 1. Hurry up and get on, dude.
Bro, I'm literally in the car, bro.
But anyways, this is what I meant. I wanted to move my stop loss. I wanted to do my stop loss like this at this like body here.
Yeah.
Or like this candle, which these would have been full TP'd already.
Yeah.
But hurry bring it on. Okay, I already answered that. All right, so break even there. Let me go ahead and send this to the Discord. All right. Kind of sucks. I wanted my stop loss here, but I didn't risk enough to put my stop loss there like I'm supposed to. And yeah, so had a bigger stop loss than I wanted, so risk to reward was a lot lower. We're still chilling on the day, guys. So we have 10 a.m. news still. Market's not even open yet. So probably just going to be waiting until market open at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my camera. So give me a second. Right. Sucks that we're break even. Literally hit TP for what I wanted, but unfortunately break even. And we're too low. We're too low to short now. So honestly, I'd want to see like a disrespect to this 15-minute maybe. This would suck, bro. Like it targeted our break even, bro. Because now it's just going the other way. But yeah, we're pretty much just gonna wait at this point, guys. Stream's gonna be a little boring for now because we're kind of just waiting for market open. This is like the normal time I would start stream anyways. Holy crap, bro. Where's my alarm? Alright, we're back. Sorry about that, guys. You can turn on stream now. Turn on the camera on stream now. We are chilling. Alrighty, and I'm gonna answer you on Discord. Alright, 1 second. I can't hear you. Yo. Yo. Can you hear me? Alright. Ian, look. I wanted to do my stop loss like this when I realized how far we closed. But I didn't have it adjusted in time. So see how our stop loss was like this? So 1R would be all the way down here. When I actually drew it out after I saw how far it closed, I drew it to here. But I didn't know how many contracts to use. But my entry was like up here, so it would have been 1R. Yeah. Wait, no, they can't. No, I would have hit my 1 to 1R, 1.1 that I wanted. But I would have had to use 9 contracts for that, and I used 7. So I would have, if I would have actually closed my TP there, then I would have just made less than I was risking. What's your bias? Can you tell me for US 30? I don't trade US 30. Unfortunately, bro, I don't trade US 30, so I will not be giving my bias on it. I trade futures. I trade NQ. I'm going to go over my bias in a second, though. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to go over my bias in a second. I'm setting up my camera. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, yeah, I literally hit it. Bro, it's like we targeted our break even, bro. What is this? Do you see this, Ian? Yeah. All right. Bro, look at that guy talking shit. He said, "I need a trade." Trade. I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? It was a data low setup in the Discord. He's saying that because I said that about his 3 p.m. trade yesterday. Yeah, bro. Why are you trading at 3:09 p.m., bro? Talking about glued to the charts. It's your first time on my channel? What's up, bro? What's up, not Hattie? Whoa, bro. We're at 41 viewers. What the hell, bro? Let's go. It's kind of crazy, dude. Do you trade ICT concepts? Trade ICT concepts, you should be good. Okay, then you're chilling. Yeah, the trade we took already was a break even. My entry was here. Stop loss was at the high. Targeting just a 1R break even at the data lows. And we moved stop to break even. And unfortunately, we didn't hit TP. But we are break even. Which is why I said it felt like it was targeting a break even. What? Oh yeah, facts, bro. We only emotional trade over here. But we entered off of the inversion for value gap on the 3-minute. I know it's really tiny, but it was the highest time frame. At first, I was looking for this 2-minute, but highest time frame was the 3-minute. So, but either way, bro. Actually, I would have hit TP if I entered on the 2-minute. So you actually are the reason why I didn't hit TP. So shut up. Because entry would have been better on the 2-minute. Anyways. Yeah, no, it wasn't highest time frame. Don't care. I don't watch Dexter, bro. Why do I care if Dexter gets a new episode tonight if I don't watch Dexter? Bro, you know what? I'm excited because we have a new episode of Bunny Girl Senpai coming out. 7:15. Wait. Bro. Oh, we do have Flash PMI 9:45, yeah. But for the most part, just anime. Oh, I've watched like Squid Games, and then I watched Friends with my girlfriend. I'm watching You with my girlfriend. No, I haven't watched any of those. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn camera on now, guys. Bro. I'm wearing my I'm wearing my Young LA the shirt from the event. So we're at 13 likes already, bro. Let's go. What was my peak so far was 42. That's kind of crazy. Honestly, higher time frame is looking more bearish if anything. Four-hour disrespecting bearish gaps. Respecting bearish, disrespecting bullish. We have sell side below. Oh, actually, this is kind of a protected low. Though I'd probably want a pullback before any shorts. What? No, that's not bad. Just like, yeah. Bro, just like eating everything that comes in your path, bro. Bro. I do have a boom arm. I know. Look at stream. My girlfriend bought it with the HyperX microphone for me for Christmas. Because her brother had it. And she said that she thought I would like it. Okay, for us it's 9:45. I don't know. Maybe like Hawaii. No, it's not. They're like 3 hours behind. Or no, they're more than 3 hours. I thought they were same time zone as Los Angeles. They're actually that far like west. They're that far west, bro. What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shut up, bro. What's my bias today, bro? I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know. I'm leaning more bearish though. Price is inversing higher time frame gaps. We're inversing bearish or bullish gaps. So we're disrespecting bullish gaps, respecting bearish. Just seems like price is bearish here. Shut up, Ian. And we have previous day low that we could use for like a draw. We just need to get a setup. We already had a setup. Would have hit TP if I wasn't an idiot and set up my stop loss right. But so what is your bias today? All caps yelling at me. Anyways, we're about to have market open it here. So everybody lock in. Everybody lock in. I'm getting too mainstream. I might need to stop the YouTube streams because I have 40 viewers, bro. It's you. Should make a premium, bro. That's literally, bro. Ian, get out of my comments, bro. Bro, I'm gonna direct all the ads towards you, Ian. I'm gonna direct every ad towards you. How am I doing? I'm doing good. How are you? Who else would join premium, bro? Put up, bro. Ian, bro, stop acting like you wouldn't get it for free, bro. You're gonna say anything? You were cooking. Do I trade Forex? No, I trade futures. Bro, it sucks that was break even, dude. I really, bro, if we had a better stop, dude, that would have hit TP and we would have been done for the day. But that would have been done so early. We could have just chilled here forward testing the charts with already being green on the day and everything, bro. Bro, nobody said that in chat. Where did you see it? How do you naturally, bro? Bro, shut up. You want me to like spaz out? You want me to spaz out because market opened? This is what I'm talking about. Wait, are you talking about Ian? Ian's Ian's my friend, bro. Oh, Ian, I'm adding you as moderator. Alright. Ian, you're now a managing moderator for my channel. But don't ban people for no reason, bro. What's my bias, Bearish? Okay, bro. What? Yo, what is that market open, bro? Bro, it actually targeted our break even, bro. What is going on here? Look at that market open. I've never. The fraudulent day one. Target is just pretty much just like previous day though. Definitely looks like a market maker model here. Definitely looks like a market maker model to the sell side from yesterday. Do we have an overnight SMT? I feel like that's very important. Okay, we do have an overnight SMT here with New York PMIs. So a nice looking market maker sell model. Bro, what? Apparently the market open dump was because Trump wants to go to war with Venezuela. Bro, what are we doing? Going to war with Venezuela? Bro, what are we doing? Lock in, bro. Why do we need to go to war with Venezuela for? Yeah, that's valid. You know, I'm very lucky that you're muted right now because I'll get banned off of YouTube for saying that. No, like anything about that. Because you know who owns YouTube, right? Your voice is so low. I mean, my volume is all the way up. I know that's kind of random. Bruh. That's so stupid. Bro, rip to everybody who longed there. Yeah. So we do have a possible short here, but this short looks kind of trash. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to take this. Yeah. But Ian, look at this comment. P&L, not the process. It's basically the reverse of what you want to actually do. Which pair is being analyzed? NQ. Right now we kind of have nothing. We're kind of waiting for 9:45 news. No, we don't. We have 9:45. I thought it was 10 a.m. Forex Factory. Yeah, we only have 9:45. We have 10 a.m., but it's orange folder. No. I mean, financial juices, it's red folder though. See, guys, can we run up the likes? Oh shit, we're at 18 likes. Can we get 2 more likes? We'll hit 20, bro. Can we hit 20 likes, bro? That'll be the most likes we ever hit on stream. If you want to be a part of us hitting the most likes ever on Logan Trades, can you explain what's happening? Well, right now we're just waiting. What's up? Bro, get off your phone, bro. Oh yeah, bro, dude, low key, yeah, we are waiting for this. Go get my phone, bro. Womp womp. About to tap into a 15-minute. Yeah, we are about to tap into the last 15-minute. Yeah, we tapped into it. Come on, I need to pay the bills. Give me a winning trade today. Yo, Ian, notice my tone. Notice my tone. Bro. Dang. Guys, everybody FOMO this 1 minute short. Bro, someone posted that he's down 27,000 on the day, and he said all you can do is laugh. Bruh. Bro. What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm following him, bro. $561 Renzo posted him doing leg press. Bro, it's a Forex trader. He's doing guys, everybody FOMO the 1 minute short. Everybody FOMO the 1 minute short. Everybody FOMO the 1 minute short. Everybody FOMO the 1 minute. Everybody FOMO the 1 minute. Everybody FOMO the 1 minute. 4 minutes before news. 4 minutes before news. Yeah, look at the close. Everybody FOMO the 1 minute. Yo, Ian, look what I just sent you. Yo, Ian, look what I just sent you on Instagram. That is so funny, bro. Bro, that's so aura, bro. That's so aura. Bro, I got some weird animes I need to watch, bro. Bro, I got like a whole list, bro. I've been taking screenshots of like random anime names that I need to watch. All right, we got 2 minutes till news, guys. Yo, Ian, look. Holy over trading, bro. Holy over trading. Anyways, guys, we're just chilling here waiting for news. We got about 1 minute left until news. Lock in. I'm gonna go grab a Gatorade real quick. Okay. Q. The bills need to be paid. NQ. Okay, news did nothing, and I'm gonna crash out now. We still have 10 a.m. news as well, though. NQ. Hmm? Bro, everybody, yeah, the people who FOMO the 1 minute short just got a winning trade. But it's still a horrible trade. Right before news. What if, okay, but what if news was bullish? What if news was bullish? Bro, what is bro talking about? No, I'm saying, what if news? No, listen. What if news was bullish and like news like made you lose? All right, bro. Shut up. Yo, look at this guy's profile picture. I run my YouTube channel, brother. Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. You know, long on Bitcoin. 9:45. But I'm still bearish here, guys. We're just gonna need like let me check chat real quick. Please give me $300 in PayPal, please, bro. I can't just send money, bro. Now I'm looking for a 10 a.m. open high low close, to be honest here, guys. It's like the hourly. Check out a long on Bitcoin 5-minute. No, thank you. I don't trade Bitcoin. Martin. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But bro, this is so annoying. We still got about an hour though, so we're chilling. We could get something. What am I expecting? I want shorts here. No. When you have a funded, do you have to pay monthly for it? No, it's just a one-time payment. After the challenge is done, you don't pay for it anymore. I'm bearish here, but I want to pull back. I don't want to just enter. We just inverse the 1 minute. No problem. Bruh. You probably can't. I know, right? So I'm kind of hoping for a 10 a.m. open, high low close. Hmm. What? I'm just watching the charts right now. No, we didn't. AM lows are all the way down here. Yeah. Yeah, but like, I like, yeah, we have LRL, but we're not delivering off of anything. We didn't sweep it either. If anything, I'll look for a short here off of these highs or something. I kind of want this. We do have an SMT at these lows though. Though it is against my bias, bro. But this entry would be like insane, bro. Yeah, dude, look at this stop loss is huge. Yeah. Yeah, I'd prefer a short. We have LRL above, which is the only reason I would like this 4-minute, but oh yeah, dude. 10 a.m. news is data low. Yeah, there was. It was home sales. No, PM got swept. It's Asia High, London High. Key to the truth, initial call ICT really profitable, or is it a scam? I don't know if he's profitable. I don't know. SMT now, yeah. I saw the SMT, so I marked it out. I don't even know at this point. Yeah, I would want us to take out this high. A possibility for a Mac model here if we run this buy side here. We just formed a 5-minute. No, it would have already been open low, high close with the data low. Open low. If we sweep this and really sweep it good. There's not even any gaps here to look for an entry off of. No, I'm saying targeting the 5-minute for a mech model. Our price is just chopping now. Yeah. Yeah. There's a 15-minute here. The only thing is, Ian, we have like LRL above with the relative equal highs for London highs. That's the only problem, is we could be bullish for that as well. No, it just means you're not like sticking to one side specifically. Bro, now watch this run. I would have taken this if we didn't form that SMT, bro. Bruh. There's no way. What you say? Yeah. We have a 5-minute for mech model here. Yeah. We'll be forming the 1 minute here for the entry. See if the 15-minute. If we get this inverse of this 1 minute, then that means we wouldn't have closed above on the 15-minute. What's up? Yeah. All right. But I'm in there. Stop loss at the high. 12. Okay, so my break even is going to be at this first 5-minute. It's a very, very tiny 5-minute. Yeah. Yeah. Look at it on NQ. Just break even there. No, I didn't. And stopped out, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. No way we sat here all day for this BS, bro. Whatever, dude. All right, I'm gonna get off, bro. I'm gonna